In video number 4, Dan shows you how to shut off the water to your house, and he mentions doing it from your smartphone. In this video, he's going to show you the device, the app, and how it could save you from a flooded house.
Welcome back to our DIY video series. My name is Dan with At Your Service Plumbing, and today we're going to be discussing flow. Technology seems to be everywhere nowadays. It has alarm system monitoring, and now one of the great things is water system monitoring for your home. Because when do leaks spring up? Usually when you're gone or asleep. Flow is a device that monitors flow of water, temperature, and pressure, which is fantastic for someone who wants the peace of mind like I do, that if there's a leak in my wall, it's gonna let me know. Also, if it goes ignored for long enough, Flow will actually notify you via text and then automated phone call and shut down your water without you even having to do anything. It just automatically will monitor your water usage, and it knows when something is not right. That type of technology is very, very cool. As you see on the device, it has a little green light on the side of it, lets you know that it's monitoring. And then when the water is off, let's say it's installed in your garage, you come in, you see a red light on there, you know that it turned off your water for some reason. Check your phone and you're probably gonna have an alert. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I trust the information in this video was helpful for you. If you find at any time you either don't have the right tools, you don't want to make trips back and forth to the hardware store, or you just don't want to spend your valuable time doing this task, please give At Your Service Plumbing a call and ask to schedule your own personal plumbing professional to come and assist you. Our client care representatives would be happy to provide you a 2-hour arrival window, which works for you. If you have other plumbing issues, we offer several videos in this Do-It-Yourself series. Please comment suggestions for future videos, and we thank you for joining us.